2017 Ford Escape. The owners knows the cabin filter replacement is the very freaky time. Because of couple reasons. Reason number one, location of this filter is terrible. Be honestly, I will use my flashlight to show you guys everything here under. Yeah, this is the filter, the new filter already installed. This is location of cabin filter. It's crazy. Why another manufacturer is making the process much easy? Because you have a glove box here. Normally the filter located inside on the horizontal position, and all contamination sitting on the filter on the top. So when you remove a filter from the horizontal position, so this is the right, because everything is there. But Ford making different story. Position of Ford filter is a vertical, just like that. I show you how much contamination inside. How much contamination inside. Most contamination here on bottom of the filter. When you're removing filter from this position there, and you will see all dirt will be come to the floor, all of them. I'm using my flashlight and use my inspection mirror to check inside what's going on. There was lots of shit was inside on the filter housing. So what is solution? Solution to use vacuum to clean inside housing of this filter. Because no way, if we do know that, if we will install new filter without any clean, so the old housing will be contaminated inside. Now just couple words about installation. So let's start from right installation from another manufacturer. So filter installing exactly like that by the horizontal position, and filter is just keeping perfect rectangular geometrical shape and sealing properly by the side seal, the sealing properly on the housing, so means like dust is not coming inside. So the all dust will be stay on this area, on the dirty area. The clean area always clean. But this one is not for Ford. Ford making different story again for that. For installation of Ford filter, they just give us less than half of size space, half of size of filter here inside. Just a half. It's very specific installation. So because you have to grab your filter, I will show you with my hands, just using one hand, and squeeze this filter on this position, and after that you will try to install like that in this position. After that, the filter on the housing must to stay to the proper rectangular shape, but it's not true. After squeezing, the filter will be lost rectangular shape. You will see, guys, what happened here, right? Not perfect line, not perfect straight. So means like the dust will be go from dirty side to clean side. Yeah, every time after installation the filter, if the housing is not gonna be clean inside, if the housing will be not clean inside, when you start in your fan, you will see some contaminations coming right away. Right away, like a dust. Dust will become right away. Because of this. Because of this. Because of losing of perfect rectangular geometrical shape. Because housing perfect straight. Perfect housing straight. This one, after installation, we don't know that you can see nothing inside. Maybe the one side will be like that. Maybe like that, but the housing straight. That's why we have a big hole. Can be some hole on the side. So means like the dust will be go inside to your system. Yeah, this is a real story from Ford.